Hi, and welcome to my channel, UrsMentor. Learn English with story. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Long ago, in a small village surrounded by mountains, there lived a boy named Rohan. Rohan was curious, brave, and always full of questions. He loved to explore the rivers, the forests, and the fields near his home. But one thing made him sad. He was afraid of the dark. Repeat after me, I am afraid of the dark. Every evening, when the sun went down and the stars appeared, Rohan hurried home. He closed the doors and lit a small lamp. He told himself, the night is scary. Strange sounds come from the forest. His friends laughed and said, Rohan, you are brave in the day but afraid at night. Repeat after me, the night is scary. One day, the village elder announced, tonight, a festival will be held under the stars. Everyone must come and bring something special. Rohan was excited, but also nervous. The festival would be held after sunset, in the middle of the forest. He whispered, how will I go? What if it is too dark? Repeat after me, what if it is too dark? His grandmother noticed his worry. She smiled and said, Rohan, fear is like a shadow. If you face it, it disappears. Take this lantern with you. Walk slowly, and the darkness will not harm you. Rohan held the lantern and felt a little braver. Repeat after me, fear is like a shadow. When night came, Rohan walked towards the forest. The lantern glowed softly, lighting his path. He heard owls hooting, leaves rustling, and crickets singing. At first, his heart beat fast. But then he looked up. The sky was full of shining stars, brighter than he had ever seen. Repeat after me, the sky was full of shining stars. As Rohan walked deeper, he saw fireflies glowing like tiny lamps. Their light danced around him, guiding his way. He realized, the night is not only dark. It has its own magic and beauty. His fear slowly faded, replaced by wonder. Repeat after me, the night has its own magic. Finally, Rohan reached the festival. There were colorful lights, music, and laughter. People shared food, told stories, and sang songs. Rohan joined his friends, smiling. He thought, if I had stayed at home, I would have missed this beautiful night. Repeat after me, I would have missed this beautiful night. From that day on, Rohan was no longer afraid of the dark. He even enjoyed walking under the stars. Sometimes, he sat outside at night and whispered, thank you, night, for showing me your beauty. His friends noticed his change and admired his courage. Repeat after me, thank you, night. Moral of the story, fear disappears when you face it. The things we are afraid of often hide something beautiful. If you take one small step with courage, you will see light even in darkness. Repeat after me, courage brings light to darkness. Thank you for listening. Listen again, repeat the sentences, and practice English every day. Remember, fear becomes smaller when you face it. Be brave, stay positive, and never stop learning. See you in the next story. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.